To import a scan file into Geomagic Control X, I'm going to click on the Import button from the Home ribbon. Now, most scan file formats don't include unit information inside the file structure, so it's important that we pay attention to what units the scan file was exported from the scan software as, and then also what units the importing software is going to assume. So in this case, I can see from the file name it's millimeters. And then if I look down here at the bottom right of the import dialog, it's grayed out, but it says the units are inches. This means the default scan import units are set to inches. So to change that, I click Use Custom Settings, change this to millimeters, and then hit Import. And there's some other settings here. We just want to make sure nothing else is checked. If we didn't pay attention to the import units and we get the scan into the software and then want to confirm, there's a couple ways we can do that. Probably the easiest way is to just click on the scan under Measured Data and then look over at the properties. We can see here that we have a bounding box size. So width, height, and depth. Now it could be randomly aligned, so we have to take that into consideration, but it gives us a good idea of roughly the size of the scan as it's been imported. Another way that's a little bit more specific is we can do basic measurements. So down on the very bottom of the software GUI, we can see here that we have measure distance. So if we just click measure distance, make sure that we're not forcing an axis alignment, so no align. We can just click 2 points, and then we get a measurement. So it's 32 inches roughly long. And I know that's about right, so that was imported with the correct units. I don't need to save this, so I can just go cancel.